Hi, I am Krishna Raju. I am working as an open source developer for past 4 months in 10th Planet Technologies organized by ChipKits. Today my topic is item editor examples in Adobe Flex. Today my topic is item editor examples in inline item editor. Inline item editor is an calls the prevent default method to prevent Flex from returning a string value, obtains the new city, state and values from the item editor using the item editor instance property of the list based control, calls the destroy item editor method to close the item editor, calls the item update method to cause the list based control to update its display based on the new data passed to it. If you do not call this method, the new data does not appear until the next time the list based control update its appearances. For example, we can see the inline item editor in Adobe Flex. Now I'm going to explain an inline item editor examples in data grid. See, now I am created a data grid ID as a my grid, row height is 75, data provider as a init dg, editable as a true property, item edit end as a process data event for calling an event function. I'm created a 4 columns of a data field. One is a company, contact, phone and city and state. Another 3 last 3 and all editable as a true, and first one is a company name as an editable as a false. And now I am creating an item renderer as a component file, text as a selectable as a false, and text equal to data.city and data.state in a item renderer. And I am calling also an item editor in a component as a class name as a my editor. Text input ID is a set city in a text. In that I am creating a data.city, and also I am calling a combo box in an in a city and state column. In a combo box ID as a pick state and selected item is a data.state. Creating 5 string files for a data provider, AL, AK, AR, CA and TN. Now I am calling this as a array collections. In that init dg array collection, and created 2 columns, company as a TPT, contact persons, phone number, city and state. Another one examples as a chip kits and contact person and phone number, city and state. Now in the event handling functions are called in this method, and the events are handled. Now I'm running this application. See, now I have created a data grid. In that company, contact, phone number, city and state are appeared. 2 fields, 2 data of column and fields are appeared in this company name is 10th Planet Technologies. Contact person is Krishna and his mobile number and his city and state. Another one is chip kits, and contact person is Raju and city and phone number and his city and state. Now in that city, in contact and phone number, city and states are editable property. Now I am changing this city and state as a Madras. Likely think about Madras is in California, so I am giving CA. It will be changed. And another Raju, think about he is in the state, the city is in Trichy, and the state will be Tamil Nadu. So I am giving as a Argentina AR. It will be displayed. So we can modify any of city and state state as a files in inline item editors. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to explain item editor examples in inline item editor. Thank you.